Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay a bill in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Xero, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Paying bills in Xero is a straightforward process that is essential for effective financial management and maintaining accurate accounting records, because it ensures that all expenses are recorded and categorized correctly, reflecting the true financial status of your business. Now, once you are on this basic dashboard that you're going to work with, go to business and click on the bills to pay. Now it's really easy because all you're gonna do is you have this multiple options like awaiting approval, awaiting payment, paid and repeating. All right. So for example, this is gonna be the awaiting payment. Now you see those who are in red are already due, right? So the Net Connect, for example, you're gonna play Net Connect, Smart Agency, and a lot more. All right. Now in this case, we might want to click on the Andy guide. For example, I want you to click on it. Click on that specific bill. You want to make sure that the amount of payment that you wanted here will reflect the actual payment that you need to pay. All right. For example, you might want to put in the description. Click on that and add to payment. It's a very easy and a straightforward process. Okay. You also have an option too. For example, you think that this bill doesn't match the description. You might want to click on void. All right. Now you see all this has been overdue and the bill has been voided. And again, just go to the business and bills to pay and look for those who are you think would needs attention on the awaiting payment. For example, from capitalcab.com, you might want to put in the description here, item code, edit address if you wanted, the amount paid. Of course, all they're gonna do is click on the add payment, and that's that. It simplifies the reconciliation process by matching recorded payments with bank transactions. Of course, it helps maintain good relationships with suppliers and ensuring timely and accurate payments. All right. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.